Hey, good morning. I'm out here in the garden harvesting the garlic. Garlic is a long season crop, really long season. You plant the bulb in the fall like you would any other spring blooming bulb, and then it grows root through the winter and then starts growing in the spring. It's the end of June and the garlic is ready to harvest. And we know that because these outer stalks will turn this papery brown. Look at these nice bulbs. This clay soil that we have here really clings to the roots, so I'm going to knock some off. But look at that beauty. Here are the bulbs that I just dug, and you can see there's a lot of soil clinging to them, so I'm going to knock off as much as I can. But here are some that I harvested the other day, and you can see that the clay is breaking down and becoming more brittle. So we're going to continue to kind of dust them off. The next thing that we're doing is we're going to cure them. And we want to get excess moisture out of the bulb, but we don't want them to dry out. But if there's too much moisture, then the bulb will mold, rot. It won't season as well.